Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use GPT-4 inside Bing Chat for absolutely free. Right, so if you haven't heard about yet, GPT-4 is out, which is the more developed model of OpenAI that you can use to generate content, do research and a lot more other things. And I have made videos about how to use GPT-4 in ChatGPT or using their API product. But now you also have the opportunity to use GPT-4 inside the new Bing Chat. And in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you want to get access to this Bing Chat, and as you can see, here's where you're going to be able to add your questions here. And the GPT-4 based AI will answer your questions here. And one thing you have to know is that you cannot just open Bing.com. So if you use Google Chrome and you open Bing on your Google Chrome browser and you click on chat here, as you can see, you cannot really use the new Bing Chat in Google Chrome. So you have to open a Microsoft Edge browser. So once you have opened up a Microsoft Edge browser, you have to open up Bing.com. And once you have to open up Bing.com, first you have to make sure to sign in into your Microsoft account. I have another tutorial where I show you how to create a Microsoft account if you haven't done that, because that will be necessary to be able to access the new Bing Chat, which is powered by GPT-4. So once you have signed in, as you can see, I have already signed in here. Then you're going to be able to click on the chat icon here, or chat button here. And as you can see, this will open up the new Bing Chat, which is powered by GPT-4. As you can see, you can choose 3 types of conversation styles in Bing Chat. So more creative, more balanced, or more precise. And then you can add your questions here. So let's ask Bing Chat, which is based on GPT-4. What are the highest paying affiliate programs? Finance niche. As you can see, you have 2000 characters to add here. And you can also click on this icon to make the input field a little bit bigger. So once you added your question, just click on the icon here. And now, as you can see, the Bing Chat will answer your question based on GPT-4 model. As you can see, it's a little bit still slow, but the answers are better. So I think it makes sense to wait a little bit. And then it will come up with the best affiliate marketing programs in the finance niche. And as you can see, it works similarly to ChatGPT. So you can have a conversation with the Bing Chat. So let's say, tell me more about personal capital, so this affiliate program, and it will tell you more about that affiliate program. So as you can see, it's still really slow, but this is what you get currently. And as you can see, currently you can get up to 15 answers from the Bing Chat. So keep this in mind. And if you want to start a completely new topic, so you want Bing Chat to forget everything that was said before, just click on new topic here and you can start chatting with it again from scratch. So all in all, this is how to use GPT-4 in the Microsoft Bing Chat powered by GPT-4.